friends, my name is Moini. I am studying in class 10th in my well reputed college named Gomti Devi Adarsh Inter College, Gosaiganj, Kannauj. Today I am feeling very glad and honored to give me an opportunity to say something such on an important topic which can make our country developed till 2047. Therefore, I would like to say the problems which we have to solve, and according to my views, there are some concrete solutions which we have to focus on them. There is no doubt this is a very big and bold goal. Further, I would like to give some hints where we have to work. Sincerely, I would like give practical suggestions and solutions sector by sector. Their blueprint, I would like to mention problems, concrete solutions, miserable milestones to make our country developed 2047, because our government has set the goal to make our country as a largest economically country as a largest and country till 2047. There is no doubt we are the fastest growing country in the world, but still we are counted among the developing countries. This worldwide data shows something, that there are something which we have missed to do. As you all know very well that today. Point 1. India is already among the world's turning scale, and youth into productivity is the lever of development. The palliation is young, big working. As Chohat, a demography demanded IF skills, jobs and health are unlocked. Point number 3. Transition and education are both shifting rapidly. Both are essential enablers, and these things will enhance the India's capital growth. Would like to give 10 strategic pillar suggestions which may be proved as milestones in our country's growth. Point number 1. Governance and institutions. I would like to mention some problems as from migrant delivery, slow dispute resolutions, weak local capability, corruption, leakages. Against such problems, I giving some solutions. Point number 2. Single window digital public service approach center, local push for inter-heritable citizens ideas, digital land records, e-gov. Point number 4. Empower and finance local governments with performance-based grants. Point number 5. Fast track council dispute courts regularity sandbox for new sectors. KPIs and milestones means our e-service. Uptake time to resolve commercial disputes. Macroeconomy problems, low formal credit assurance for MSMEs, tax base finance, take time to resolve commercial disputes, macroeconomy and finance problems, low formal credit assets for MSMEs, tax base inefficiency, infrastructure financing gap. Solutions. Point number 1. Deepen bond markets long term. Infrastructure, bonds and pension fund led investment. Point number 2. Credit guarantee programs, digital invoicing to bring MSMEs formal, simply tax code and broaden GST compliance using e-invoicing. KPIs milestones, double formal MSME credit penetration by 2035, infrastructure financing gap cut by 50% by 2040. Job skills and industry problems, jobless growth in parts skill, mismatch between education and industry. Solutions. Point number 1. National skills to jobs platform linked to employers module criterion sharing and apprenticeship scaled up. Point number 2. Incentives for higher value manufacturing capped subsidies, export corridors and for high tech service hubs outside a few meters. KPIs milestones, reduce youth unemployment by half by 2035, manufacturing value added share by 10x points by 2047, education and human capital problems, quality gaps, learning outcomes below pedestal, tertiary education not aligned to jobs. Solution. Learning outcomes first, national diagnostics targeted remedial programs, retrain teachers via blended CPD, expand vocational HE credit transfer, R&D links between industries and industry, KPIs and milestones, universal foundational literacy numeracy by 2032, tertiary enrollment with employability metrics rising, national learning scores improve 30% by 2035. Point number 5. Health and well-being problems, urban rural health access gaps, rising NCDs, variable primary care. Solutions. Strengthen primary care network, hub and spoke, medicine and preventive NCD programs, universal basic health insurance with quality outcome based payments, KPIs and milestones, reduce maternal and child mortality to developed country levels by 2040. 90% population covered by primary care networks by 2035. Point number 6. Energy and climate, clean transition and resilience problems, heavy legacy, social share transmission, bottlenecks, intermittency, challenges, solutions. Point number 1. Rapid scale up of renewables and storage, grid modernization, smart grids, flexible dispatch and rooftop solar and EV charging networks. Climate resilient infrastructure and nature-based solution for floods, droughts, KPIs and milestones, reach target for non-fossil capacity fat to 50% of capacity by 2030. Build national storage and mission to support 24/7 clean power by 2040. IEA other forecasts show rapid renewables growth and revised capacity expansion. Point number 7. Infrastructure and urbanization programs, congestion metros, poor urban service, logistics inefficiencies. Solution: invest in affordable mass transit, green cities, decentralized jobs to Tier 2 by 3. Logistics, multimodal freight corridors, port capacity, last mile digital tracking, KPIs and milestones. Have average commute time in major cities by 2035. Logistics cost as percent of GPD fall by X points by 2035. Point number 8. Agriculture and rural transmission problems, low farm productivity, small holding, distress, migration. Solution: technology adoption, precision as data driven extension, consolidate markets via digital MSP, alternatives, promote high value crops, cold chains and rural micro processing, land use reforms, enabling aggregation, lease models and agri-credit modernization. KPIs and milestones: double real farmer incomes by 2035, cut post-harvest losses by 1/3 by 2030. Point number 9. Science, technology and digital economy programs underfunded R&D, big commercialization pipeline. Solutions: triple down on R&D, expanding public incentivized private R&D. National AI and Semiconductor Stabilizer IP commercialization scale national data infrastructure privacy preserving to fuel startups and service KPIs and milestones R&D GDP to OECD comparable levels by 2040. Create world-class clusters for semiconductor, pharma, AI. Point number 10. Social inclusion and equality. Solution. Gender gap, regional inequality, solutions, exclusion, solutions, universal social protection for target female labor force, participation programs, scholarships and target infrastructure for labor. Reasons, KPIs and milestones. LEF female increase Y by X percentage point by 2035. Interstate per capita income disparities significantly narrowed by 2047. Cross-cutting action performs contracts transparency, publish states and central dashboards with outcome KPIs and budget data and evaluation independent central monitoring randomized evaluations for major programs, open data, regulatory reform unit, rapid rule making for new tech, crypto, AI, biotech and sunset clauses for bad citizen engagement, participatory budgeting, pilots, grievance, redress, APIs, timeline, 3 horizons, illustrative, short 2025 to 2030, fixed basics, foundational literacy, expand primary care, unlock renewables, grid investments, scale valuation, training, digital public service, set measurable national dashboards, medium 2030 to 2047, industrial upgrading, green energy, reliability, storage and transmission, mass scaling of higher education and R&D clusters, urban mass transit and logistics corridors, long 2040 to 2047, measure high value manufacturing and services near universal social protection and health outcomes. Close to developed country levels per capita incomes reach developed benchmarks depending on target climate resilience hardened to practical flagship programs to start immediately. National Foundational Outcomes Mission NFOM nationwide design notice. Instruction Foundational Outcomes Mission NFOM nationwide. Design notice. Teacher upscaling remedial instruction to year learning camps in low performing districts. Fast wins in human capital. Green Industrial Corridor GIC combined renewable generation grid storage export oriented manufacturing zones with single window clearance and skills hubs. Risks and how to manage them. Macro shocks build fiscal buffers and contingent credit lines. Political